Hello, beloved listener. This is Prophet Sipamandla Woho, the herald of good news. Join me now for a Rhema word for you today, and your life will never be the same.
Remember, my Corinth, since we do not consider, neither look at things which are seen, but we consider and look at things which are not seen. So Abraham believed, and the day he believed, he did not consider his body. When you believe, there are things that you need not to consider. One of those things that you need not to consider is to consider things that are seen. The day you believe that you stop considering your bank account. The day you believe that you are rich, stop considering what you have. The day you believe that if you're like blessed, stop considering the new eye. So don't consider the things that are seen. The day Abraham believed, he did not consider his body. Because the Bible Abraham can consider the owner so there's a but everybody he refused your consideration in my body. He did not consider his body. Yeah, but he did not consider his body that was already dead. Yeah, never he hopeless now hopeless, but don't consider what you see. The day you are believe, the day you believe and you quite so consideration and do then what is it that you need to consider? Consider the word. Consider the tickle. He did not consider his body which was dead since he was already 100 years old. He did not waver through unbelief at the promises of God. Because once you start to consider the one, it's not going to waver. Every time you look, that is why I say to people, don't consider it. Because it will make you to what? To waver. Don't stagger in the promises of God through unbelief. Don't waver. Don't stagger in the promises through unbelief. Continue. The day Bavinda was over by father and mother of many nations, they started to praise God. All those like before, they gave glory.